Paragon Reproductions is a manufacturer of vintage Corvette parts. Also, we do restorations and service on products and vehicles. Paragon Reproductions is located in the heart of Michigan. Our 24,000 square foot facilities and our beautiful showroom is right next door to the 1953 legendary Corvette birthplace. We've been in business for over 40 years. We also have collected a huge inventory of used and NOS products. We have built our company on quality, integrity, and customer service. This is what separates us from our competition. We have the rights to original GM tooling and licensed trademark logos. That is why we are able to manufacture parts exclusively like the originals and be able to sell them into the marketplace. We're getting into more of the aftermarket performance suspensions and motors and transmissions and cooling systems. We're actually in the midst of creating a C4 catalog, which is our 1984 to 1996 Corvettes. We ship to Canada, we ship to Germany and Australia, and we ship to 23 other countries outside of the United States. We've been strong on 3 generations of a Corvette that has now grown to 8. We've always stuck to originality of the vehicle. We enjoy what we do. The whole aspect of being part of somebody's dream or their family legacy is very rewarding.